Before you begin working in Word, you need to either create or open a document. The Start Page interface has a simple layout giving you access to old and new documents. You can also change what gets displayed on this Start Page through the options. Word will open on the default Start Page like so, where you can choose what document you want to create or open. On the left side of the screen, we see the navigation pane with 3 different tabs: Home, New, and Open. Below these, we have account information and options. From the Home tab, which we currently have selected, we can quickly perform the most common commands like creating a blank document, or choosing from one of the commonly used templates like a resume. Below the templates is our history of recently opened files. We can see the name of the file here, and the date it was modified. If we switch to the Pinned tab, we can see documents that have been pinned for quicker access. And lastly, if we switch to the Shared with Me tab, we can see all documents shared with me and who shared them. Switch to the New pane on the left to view even more templates for creating new documents. Scrolling down, we can see templates for a variety of documents including report cards, invoices, flyers, and more. If the template you need isn't there, you can search for one online by using the search field above the default templates. If you want to create a blank document from scratch, all you have to do is click the Blank Document button here. Now you can begin working on your new document, but let's look at opening an older document first. Select File from the top left of the interface. Then switch to the Open tab. From here you can view recently opened documents, pinned documents, and documents shared with you. If you have OneDrive synced, you can view and open any documents you might have saved in the cloud. You can also add locations to make it easier to save documents to the cloud. You will need your username and password to do this. If the document you want to open doesn't appear on this page, you can find the file by selecting the Browse button here. The file I want to open is saved on my desktop, so I'll find it, select it, and click Open. You can also change how many documents are displayed in the recently opened list. If we select File again, and switch to the Open tab, we can see a list of recently opened documents here on the right. To change how many get displayed, we must first go to the Options tab at the bottom of the navigation pane. From this new menu, switch to the Advanced pane on the left, and scroll down to Display. Currently, Word will display the most recent 50 documents in the Open pane. Let's make this smaller for a cleaner interface. Just below this, you can also check the Quick Access function. With this toggled, the most recent 4 documents will appear at the bottom of the navigation pane from the Start Page interface. Select OK to save your changes. Let's see our changes in action. Select the File tab and switch to Open. As you can see, only 3 documents are now being shown in the Recents list. And if we move our cursor to the navigation pane on the left and scroll down, we can see Quick Access function has been successfully added. The most recently opened documents will appear at the bottom of this pane, making accessing them much easier. This has been a basic overview of creating and opening a document in Word for Office 365.